Right, now what I've done here, I've made myself a new furnace, same as the last one, but just out of an old watering can. I didn't cut it all the way off this time, just cut it part the way off, and I put my hole in there for my furnace, or the pipe that comes from the gas bottle, and I've put a fireproof concrete bottom in that base, so that's fireproof cement. Alright, so that's it, about a $29 watering can. Now that's my old one, same thing, just the watering can, the hole cut in there, but this one I've got a layer of concrete in it. Of course it's the top which is cooked, so it fell apart, and that's what I got in there. It's a layer of fireproof concrete, and it's got the KO wool, but it restricted the amount of room I had for the crucibles. So this one, I'm just going to put the KO wool in there, which is already cut. Just goes in there like that. Alright, let's turn it around. Come on. There's the KO wool. Just fits in there like that. There it is. Down the bottom. And that's the KO wool, spelt K-A-O, KO wool. There, so there's the old one. There's my new one. Well, the other one I left the handle on it. I probably should have left the handle on it. This one I took the handle off. Which, yeah, I probably should have left the handle on it. Because it's a good way to pick it up. Anyway, it's it there, and whoop, and then just got the two bits go on top, like so. Just the piece on the top, bit of an opening to let the flame out. And there she is. Right, new furnace, old furnace. So hopefully this one I can get a bit bigger crucible inside it. So there you go. Gonna make yourself a simple furnace, pretty cheap, about 29 bucks for that. And the bit of KO wool I can't tell you because I bought a full roll of KO wool. So I think the full roll was about $200 I think for the KO wool. But I'll have plenty of it there for the future. Alright, that's it.